In the world of technology, you still need this. That's right, a notepad. And I was told once before, if there's someone that's willing to offer you knowledge, you must take notes. And not only has these notes have given me information, but it has given me transformation. I have an art business, and due to the pandemic, it was put on halt for a while. So if you're like me and you have a computer and it's loaded with lots of great resources, and one day I got online and I started researching on ways to find other resources, and I came along this website by Saad Ali, and I was curious to know about what this website was about. So then I clicked on the link and it took me to a page called Forex Beginners Academy. And from learning from support, resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines, channels, I didn't know about these terms. And the training that the information Saad Ali provided, you'll actually know what these terms are about after you go through this lesson that was provided by him. So the training that he offers, you'll learn quick. You'll learn quick, and you also can you'll be able to set up a free risk-free account through TradingView.com, where you can practice the terms of forex trading, and you'll be able to write on the charts. And after a few lessons, you'll get the opportunity to join on Facebook. There's a group on Facebook where you can meet other individuals like you and myself, and who want to learn forex trading. And upon signing up on TradingView, you'll get to learn how to save your charts after each lesson. When you're doing the training, you'll be able to download those charts, and Saad Ali will show you how. And this is you'll be able to know each lesson because Saad will give you feedback. And what's best about the group is when he'll put a approval, and will put it in the archives that are on the Facebook group website, which is pretty exciting because you know that you're learning what forex trading is about. And and uh, and what's good about the forex trading that Saad Ali's provided, it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. And well, what's good about it is that you're getting knowledge for free, and that's what I liked about. And but I take it serious if I want to learn something, and this was pretty exciting to learn. And I bought a book at one time about forex trading, but I I would the videos actually were pretty understandable. Did the book because you also want to know. I don't know. I'm kind of a hands-on learning person, and I like to see it, visually. And this is what Saad provided, and it's given me a lot of understanding of forex trading. So I don't feel intimidated by it. So uh, grab you know right now, grab this opportunity while it lasts. It might just change. Where you'll have to buy the training, but um, uh, this feeling that everybody wants to have learning something, and of course finishing something, which is um, the feeling of accomplishing something. And this is what, uh, if you want to learn something new, a new skill, uh, forex trading could do it, but it's up to you, because it takes a mindset and a discipline to also want to learn something, just like how you went to school to learn something in order for you to get that job that you are in right now. So this is how you could take this training pretty serious. So, and um, I heard it a couple of times too, where people say, I'm busy, I don't have time, you know to sit at the computer. And you know well, most of the time people go to Facebook, go to social media, and how many hours do you do scrolling, looking at pictures, videos, but this will be something pretty valuable for you to learn. So if you say you don't have time, or maybe this ain't training ain't right for you, but if you're like me and want to learn something new, you need to have the right mindset. And this new skill could possibly make a difference for you. And it's making a difference for me, and I'm proud to learn a new skill set and have a new mindset too. So uh, always when I always did something before, I changed my mindset, was someday, you know day one I'll start someday. But right now, what I'm thinking now about my mindset is day one, I'm starting something new. So if you're wanting to um, learn a new skill, check out Saad Ali's Beginners Forex Academy. And once you get into the training, you'll pretty much know and feel good, and feel excited. That's how I feel right now about the academy. So, and right now I'm getting close to finishing, and it's been a journey. And I'm proud to say that Earl Duke Lewis, and I'm a forex trader. So be proud of what you do, and when you accomplish something. So thank you for listening to my video, and take care. Bye.